Hi everyone, this is Gabrielle Helene with Just My Input. I want to focus on the Galax Pro tool that every homeowner should have. I just redid my kitchen and this tool was absolutely critical. Here you can see the tool offers, it can cut through plastic or wood. It can cut through metal. As you can see here, it can cut through wood specifically. And you have the oscillating tool also that is very sharp. And here you can see it can cut through wood, PVC, nails, bamboo, plastic board. It's really awesome. One of the things when you have a nail that you need to cut, that tool will work. I used it on my drywall. It was amazing. So I didn't have to use the little knife back and forth. It just did the job right through. You can also use it on cement. It will just pull it through. And of course, PVC pipe. Whenever you need to cut a PVC pipe, that's really helpful. There's also a sander that comes with it. All these attachments are included. Check out the Amazon link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.